What's up, y'all? It's your girl Maya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing y'all how I color my hair, and I will be installing it and styling it on camera for you guys today. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I have my hot water. It's kind of the sink water, it's not boiling. I already went in and added my lavender to it. So now I'm about to dip my lid because I want my lavender to be pretty light. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the same color water, still purple, it's just gonna get darker. So now I'm going in with Violet Gem. We're gonna put it on. Okay, y'all, this is not alcohol, but I just used this on my face. It's toner, so it's gonna get anything that's not supposed to be there on my head. And yeah, yeah. How about the blow dry I need on? Always cut this off, y'all. Don't ever just leave it hanging, because you can definitely see that in the back of your wig when you just rubbing your fingers through your hair. So always cut these excess off in the back. Y'all see I got my ball cap. That was easy. Got some big glue spray. Never be nothing wrong for me. So now I'm gonna go in and put some foundation on my cap and on my lace, and then after that we're gonna get straight to the install. Y'all see how they just blend straight in, like, crazy. take my wig, turn it inside out, and I'm going to apply the foundation onto the lace. So this is what it should like. And my foundation, I'm using Ruby Kisses. This is a level 10. So I'm just gonna put this all over the cap. All over the inside of the wig. As y'all can see, go into the lace. Pull the hairs back. Of course, some of the hairs are going to get stained, but it's makeup. It comes right off, y'all. You see, the lace is brown. Inside the lace is brown as well. So now I'm gonna tie my wig. Okay, wig is on the head. Now I'm gonna go in with my Shibon wax stick, and I'm gonna push those hairs to the back. So now I'm just going on my hot comb. I got this hot comb from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the bio if y'all want to go check it out. I just burnt myself again. Literally always burn myself in that same spot, yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is somewhat dry. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna lay it down now. I'm gonna pull it up and probably like a little bit forward, like a little bit before the glue start, so I can't remove as much as I need to. And I'm just gonna go in, press that glue into that lace. I'm gonna go in with my elastic band. finish the look. Your girl. I do need to touch it up a little bit, but you get it. And y'all stick around for more content. Period. See y'all later.